Today, I'm going to show you how you can install Windows Subsystem for Android along with Play Store easiest and fastest way. For this, I am assuming you have already enabled developer option in your Windows 11 setting. First, you need to download the .wse file. I have given link in the description. Extract it in your C drive. Now search for file named setup6day4. Commit, right-click Run as administrator. Click on Windows Subsystem for Android icon, go to Developer, enable it. Click on Manage Developer Settings. Now, as you can see, Play Store is installed. Let me open and log in my Google account. If you face any issue, just let me know and comment below.